How to install Lapse app lock screen widget. Super easy. You can either do it from your lock screen, but also you can do it from settings. I just prefer to do it from settings. Just go to settings, tap on wallpaper, tap customize on the first screen, add widgets. And then from here, you can just search for Lapse app. Oops, so seems it's not here. Maybe it's just suggested. All right, so seems it's not instantly available for some reason. That sometimes is happening. So here's the app. Just let's make sure that you can open it up. Everything kind of works. But then sometimes, yeah, if you just tap on it, for some reason, just lock screen widget is disappearing. So there you have. So I just restarted the app and now it's available. So just for you to know if you have some issues like that. And then here you have three types of widgets. They're just basically the same. They will just open up Lapse camera. Never miss a moment and shoot faster from the lock screen. Camera shutter 1, 2, and 3. And basically you just install basically like different emojis, and then you can just tap done in the top right, and there you have it. Then you'll be able to install this camera icon, and then when you tap it on your lock screen, you will just open up Lapse app and you will be ready to take photos. So yeah, this Lapse app is currently in the top charts. This is like a disposable camera app where you take photos and they appear in some kind of like disposable Instagram filters. I don't know. It's kind of like 90s photos, as I would say. So it's pretty popular app for parties, but also it's a social app.